Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. We've showed this earlier, just a quick look outside. Some soggy roadways for us after we've had some periods of on and off rain today, mostly just the lighter stuff. We'll keep that opportunity overnight. Does look a little spooky with the low hanging clouds reflecting some city lights there in downtown Lexington, but nonetheless, that story stays in play for everybody. Still some streaks of rain showing up on satellite and radar and a couple different waves here, so pretty hit or miss. Everybody's in the opportunity for a few more spotty showers overnight tonight. We've got a double cold front combo coming your way with another little tail of a frontal-like feature that's going to swing through for us, and each one of these is going to bring the chance for rain and then maybe even a flurry or two into tomorrow. Nothing to get concerned about. I still think travel will be fine for you across the board, but watch Futurecast time this out. Through 10 o'clock, very much like what we have now. Some streaks of spotty rain here and there. That continues overnight and into tomorrow morning, 7, 8, 9 a.m. even for eastern Kentucky. We try to dry out, but the cloud cover sticks around, and then here are your flurry chances, mainly in northern and eastern Kentucky, and later in the day as that wave comes by. Could see some periods of slightly lowered visibility. Not expecting any accumulation out of this, but could be enough to just lower the visibility briefly, and then we'll be on our way. We'll see cloudy skies into early Thanksgiving morning as well. Now, Futurecast is suggesting maybe a couple flurries in northeastern Kentucky for Thanksgiving Day. Can't rule it out. Ultimately, it will be cold, and that's something we'll need to talk about here as we roll through the next 48 hours or so. Again, no travel issues from that, but we're going to go from the 60s to the 50s. This is 3 a.m. Tomorrow morning, all the way down into by tomorrow afternoon, low 40s to upper 30s with feels-like temperatures in the 20s, and that's going to hang around for the rest of the week. We've got gusty winds bringing us all of that cool air. Another day of blustery conditions, gusts over 30 miles an hour, likely a good chunk of the morning and into the early afternoon, and really 43 is not much of a high temperature. We'll probably hit that just after midnight. 43 tomorrow afternoon is likely, though. Only 38 for Thursday, 35 for Friday. Feeling like 15 to 25 both days, but at least mostly to partly cloudy each of those days if we can get some of that sunshine to poke through. It's all part of that next big thing. Cold air mass follows these two cold fronts down. Even as that tries to recede a little bit, though, another one is starting to show up for early next week. So temperatures have fallen even further for us, and we've got a system we need to watch over the weekend. Could see northern Kentucky get clipped with some snow Saturday afternoon, and then the rest of us get stuck with rain. The big note with this system is there's going to be a fine line between where the heavy snow and the heavy rain lines up. Right now, most of those ideas are well north of Kentucky, but can't rule out the chance for it to clip. That's something that we'll need to keep an eye on as we go through Thanksgiving itself. You'll notice next week stays chilly, and there's more rain and snow chances as we get into the first few days of December.